Hey everyone, Trent here at Precision Transmission. I wanted to talk to y'all about some of these teardown videos we've been making. I'm giving y'all some extra tips to the trade, learning how to make them better, just the small things. But we want to do a membership program. If y'all really would like to know how to build these things, make them better, build some drums up, add extra clutches, anything's in that perspective, please go join our membership. Help us out. We have two different memberships. One that's going to help you really learn how to build transmissions, and then one that's going to help us out a little bit with our video quality, the voice quality. We are definitely going to be getting a mic ASAP. I just do not pull the plug on anything without figuring out how the quality is. I just don't spend money without knowing what I'm getting. But here you go over here. This is stuff you're gonna see on our membership. We're gonna just show you ways how to stack extra clutches inside the high gear of your 727 transmission y'all been talking about. I'm not gonna show you the full top to bottom how to build it, but you're gonna get the concept, I promise. The tricks to the trade, how to make it better, what retrofits in what. You got aluminum planet versus a steel planet. Of course, which one's gonna hold up better? You got your high pressure rings on your drums, pumps. I'm gonna show you how to build your pumps. Tricks to the trade, guys. Like I said, we've been doing this for a long time, so we wanna help y'all, but help us to help y'all. Tips and tricks to the trade. Go join our small membership. That's going to help us with our video quality, sound, but also some small tips and tricks to building these things up, all the tear downs, of course, in that perspective. But if you really want to learn how to build some of these things up, learn how to build the drums, what does what, how to make it better, go subscribe to that top membership and go check us out. Like I said, you won't be disappointed, guys. This is Trent here at Precision Transmission. Y'all have a great day.